Okay, so this is how to make a really good drink that I have pretty much anytime I'm really thirsty. Because I don't like a lot of sugar in my drinks, even though this fruit juice has quite a bit. But what I do is I take this is a 32-ounce cup, fill it with Crystal Light ice, maybe that might be a little too much, it's about halfway. Then I got this real shook up real good. Coconut silk, which is it's got some sugar in there, but I don't put that much in. Got the Dole, this is peach mango. Top that off there. Some raspberries. You don't have to have raspberries, but it's a nice garnish. And then I've got fresh lime, just half a lime. You can add the whole thing if you want, but it might be a little bit too much. So there you have it. Delicious fruity drink, and then you mix it up and really quenches your thirst, and it doesn't have too much sugar in it. Hope you enjoy.